Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Kawasaki KRX 1000. We've just installed the SSS Off-Road full skid plate. Wanted to do a little walk around, show you a little bit about the skid plate and how it works. What we love about the SSS Off-Road are the built-in rockers. They come all the way up around the sides, one-piece design. I'll get underneath here and you can see how that tube is fully covered all the way down the machine. You've got a nice big belly there to slide and glide across. Also, if you look on the front section here, this is also tapered up. This is gonna be huge for you guys in Sand Hollow, Moab, doing your gnarly rock crawling. It's gonna protect that front area very, very well. There you can see the whole belly. They've got their logo in the belly of it as well. As you get towards the back piece, there is a seam right here. It is tongue and grooved, if you will, so it does seal off really well. It matches up really well. Around the back side, the skid plate comes clear to the edge, so it's going to protect that outer tube. And then underneath, you can see that it's also tapered up. It does have all of the necessary holes for servicing the machine, engine oil, differentials. Very nice. And then around the front, I'm so happy that they tapered this up around the front as well. As you're dropping off of steep obstacles like white knuckle and all that, you're going to have that really nice protection on this area that could be prone to getting hit. All of the bolts are recessed. Skid plate comes with everything you need to do the install. And there you have it, the SSS Off-Road skid plate for the KRX 1000. We do have it available for about every side-by-side on the market. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. What do you guys think of that skid? Have a great day, everybody.